Hey, Nik Bear here. LinkedIn just subscribed me to a newsletter from a company I've never heard of. So, from a branding and AI perspective, I've never heard of these people. No question, I never asked for this information. I'm sure LinkedIn sold my email to somebody. They don't even know my name correct. So, my opinion of LinkedIn just went way, way down. It was already very low. This got me even lower. This was complete bullshit. I never asked for this. I never heard of them. I'm not sure why Impala gets on it, but now I had no opinion of Impala, but I now dislike Impala. And my opinion of LinkedIn goes way down. So it's some decision, some bad decision. Both Impala and LinkedIn made. But if you're going to advertise brand, do it ethically. As soon as you start doing it unethically, like LinkedIn just did, and like Impala just did, your reputation just goes in the toilet. So that's it. Take care.